Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this episode of Excel in the Office, where I show you skills that I've learned in my career as an analyst to help you impress your colleagues. Today's episode should be pretty short. We're just going to go through some text and percent, how to put these together, and then also we're just going to go through some minor text formatting tips. So at the top here, we're just going to start off with the basic examples. We have customer A's sales went up, and the other cell 15%, and then last month. So in a common variance table, you'll often have the percents in another column, and then you'll have your customer, and then you can use a concat formula to put together various texts, and also with the percent to make some sentences for comments and PowerPoints, for example, right? So right here, I put them together in one clear sentence, so we can just copy this into a PowerPoint if we need to for some bullet points. So I'll show you how I did this real quick. So I'll just go ahead and delete that. I'm going to go ahead and put concat down. So concat means we're going to start to put stuff together pretty much. So we're going to have concat A2. This is going to take that cell. We're going to do a double quote, space, double quote. Now we're just adding a space here, right? So the alternative would be to just add a space at the very end of that cell in A2, but we'll just do this for because this is the most common solution, because you normally don't have a space at the end of that. So our text 3 is going to be the 15%. So normally if you just put 15% in here, it's going to scramble it and it's going to make it just all the decimal points, and it's not going to look very, very nice. So let me just show you what that looks like real quick. So if I just hit B2 there, it just doesn't, that's not really what we want to see. So we can go ahead and do text and then 15, or that B2 right there, and then the format text will be 0.00 percentage sign and double quote, and we'll close that out. And text 4, we'll add another comma, do text 4, this will be double quote, space, double quote, another comma, and then last month. Then we'll close that out, and we have customer A's sales went up 15% last month. All right. So that's how I would do that. So we'll just copy and paste that down. And then you have a nice little sentence there you can add as comments. So once again, we did concat A2, double quote, space, double quote, text B2, and then comma. So we have to format that text, 0.00 percentage in double quotes. And then we added this at the end too for that. So down at the bottom here, just want to go through some quick text formatting tips. So if you have a short little note like this that, sometimes you'll see text that's all in caps, lowercase, and so on, but you want to standardize this real quick. There's an easy way. You can use equals proper. So you can do equals proper and then close parenthesis. So we have customer A went up, customer B went down, and customer C went down. So that way it's a nice even flow of text capitalization. And if we want something in all caps, we can use upper. So if we just highlight that, you can see that now everything changes to upper. And for some reason, now I don't know an example really off the top of my head where you would want all lowercase. Let me just go ahead and pull this over. So if you wanted all lowercase equals lower, you would highlight that, do equals lower, and then you have your all lowercase letters. Now you could have this for maybe some comments in a PowerPoint or something you want at the very bottom, but I personally do not use this very much, but I figured it'd be important to show you. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Just wanted to show you those two little quick tips that I use in the office to help out my coworkers. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.